Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best pH Water Tester Drops is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone serious about their health and the quality of their drinking water, offering a simple, cost-effective, and remarkably accurate method to instantly determine the pH balance of your water right at home, ensuring you're always hydrated with water that's perfectly suited to your body's needs and preferences. Number 5. WWD Pool 2-Way Water Chemical Test Kit. Introducing the WWD Pool 2-Way Water Chemical Test Kit. It's designed for simple and accurate testing of your pool's water. This kit allows you to easily check the levels of OTO, Cl, and pH in your pool or spa water. It features a clear view unit with an accurate scale and integrated color for easy-to-read chemical levels. The kit comes with everything you need: chlorine and pH test solutions, a plastic tester, and a convenient carrying case. Using it is straightforward. Just fill the tubes with water, add the solution, shake, and check the readings for chloride, bromine, and pH. For best results, please ensure you use the solutions before the expiration date printed on the back of the case. What we like? This is a straightforward 2-way test kit. It's perfect for quick checks of chlorine and pH. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for basic pool maintenance, this is a great option. What people say. Seems to be very accurate and very easy to use. Helps us keep our pool sparkling. This is a handy, easy-to-use test kit for routine tracking of chlorine and pH in our pool. Helps me feel confident that my water is clean and safe. The kit tests for both chlorine and pH, and some reviewers note it can test for more than just those two. Number 4. US Pool Supply Standard 3-Way Pool and Spa Test Kit. Keep your swimming pool or spa water perfectly balanced with our professional 3-way test kit. It's designed to help you easily maintain optimal chemical levels for a safe and enjoyable swim. This kit precisely tests for pH, chlorine, and bromine levels in your water. With clear, integrated color markings, you can quickly see if your chemicals are within the ideal range. Everything you need is in the box, including solutions for chlorine and pH testing. Just add a few drops to your water sample for accurate results. The Clear View testing block features an accurate measuring scale and color markings. Simply fill the tubes, add the solutions, shake, and compare the colors to understand your water's condition. An easy-to-follow user guide is included to help you get started right away. When you're done, all the components store neatly in a durable polyethylene case. Achieve crystal clear and safe water with minimal effort. This essential tool ensures your pool or spa is always ready for relaxation and fun. What we like? This professional 3-way kit offers a more comprehensive test for pH, chlorine, and bromine. If you're a pool owner who wants to ensure balanced water chemistry beyond just the basics, this is the one to consider. What people say. The product works well. The design is good. The product has good functionality. Number 3. US Pool Supply 6-Bottle Refill Solution Pack. Ensure your swimming pool or spa water is always safe and enjoyable. This refill pack helps you easily maintain ideal chemical levels. This is a 6-bottle refill pack designed for your 5-way test kit. It contains all the necessary indicator solutions for accurate water testing. Test for key parameters like pH, chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, and acid demand. These solutions provide precise readings for optimal water quality. Properly balanced water is crucial for a safe and pleasant swimming experience. Use these solutions to keep your pool ready year-round. Each refill comes in a convenient 1-2-ounce dropper bottle. This makes adding the correct amount of solution to your test kit simple and mess-free. The pack includes OTO for chlorine testing, phenol red for pH, and solutions for acid demand and total alkalinity. It covers all essential chemical balances. What we like? This is a refill pack for a 5-way test kit, offering solutions for pH, chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, and acid demand. If you already own the compatible test kit and need to replenish your indicator solutions, this is your essential purchase for continued accurate testing. What people say. The pH test strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. The color chart included with the test strips is clear and easy to read, making it simple to determine the pH level. The test strips are individually wrapped, which helps to keep them fresh and prevents contamination. Number 2. Zach and Rachel Women's Millennium Fabric Pant. Introducing the Zach and Rachel Women's Millennium Fabric Pant. Experience a perfect blend of style and comfort designed to flatter your figure. Crafted with a unique woven stretch combination, these pants move with you. Enjoy flexibility and a comfortable fit all day long. These pants are thoughtfully designed to provide the most flattering silhouette. Look and feel your best in every occasion. The premium Millennium fabric offers a smooth finish and lasting quality. It's the perfect choice for your everyday wardrobe. Combine effortless style with exceptional comfort. These pants are a versatile addition that you'll reach for again and again. What we like. This product is a women's pant designed for comfort and style. If you prioritize a flattering silhouette and a comfortable, stretchy fabric for everyday wear, these pants are a fantastic choice. What people say. True to size. Perfect lightweight casual pants that can be dressed up or down for the occasion. They stretch without stretching out, so they look good all day, no baggy butt. They are very flattering and can be work appropriate or casual. Very nice quality, and the fabric is a bit thicker than expected, so I was pleasantly surprised. The color is nice and the fit is slim, so the legs are definitely tighter than the waist. Number 1. US Pool Supply 5-in-1 Pool Test Kit. Introducing the 5-in-1 Pool Test Kit from US Pool Supply. It's designed to make maintaining your pool's water balance simple and accurate. This professional-grade kit tests for key chemical levels including chlorine, bromine, pH, alkalinity, and acid demand. Keep your water perfectly balanced for safe swimming. Get clear, reliable results quickly. The easy-to-read testing block and included reagents provide accurate measurements with integrated color markings. The kit comes with 6 essential indicator solutions in convenient dropper bottles. You'll have everything you need for precise testing. Maintaining your pool's water has never been easier. It includes a detailed user guide with step-by-step instructions and a helpful color chart. US Pool Supply offers high-quality, affordable pool maintenance solutions. Care for your pool yourself and save on professional service. What we like. This is a comprehensive 5-in-1 test kit that covers pH, chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, and acid demand. If you're a homeowner who wants to maintain optimal and safe pool water conditions with detailed insights, this kit provides the accuracy and ease of use you need. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is compact and portable, making it convenient for on-the-go testing. It provides accurate readings of water pH levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.